want to hear a joke?
Yes, sure, why not?
Why did the crab go pinch, pinch, pinch?
I don't know.
Because it wanted to tickle you.
Ha!
Pinch, pinch, pinch.
That's a good one, DooDee.
Oh, hello. Hi, art friends. Welcome to DooDee's Art World. We are in the middle of our ocean animal series. Today, we are going to draw crabs. Yeah, me and Sugar. I love watching crab walk sideways. They're so interesting. Would you like to join us? Okay, let's go. Okay, are you ready?
Yes?
Okay, let's start by making an oval, which will be the body of the crab. Okay, watch me. Your turn. Good job! Alright, now we are going to draw the eyes, okay? So we're going to make two lines over here. Okay, and now a circle. Good job! And now we can draw another circle inside it and add highlights as well. Sugar, would you like to use an acrylic marker for that? Alright, let's do that. Ooh, I like your eyes. Okay, let's do the other eye now. Oh, good job! Now let's add a smile. Alright, and now we are going to draw the picture. Okay, so let's make a curve over here.
Two curved lines.
Two curved lines. Alright, and now this will be a curvy shape, okay? So watch me first. It's a little bit like letter S. Your turn. Good job! And now we connect it back, okay? Alright, now make another curvy line over here. And connect it back to the main picture. Job! Let's do that to the other side. So two curvy lines. And letter S, flip letter S. Alright, let's connect it back. Okay, and now the smaller picture.
DooDee, can I just make it very small? I don't really have space.
Yeah, sure. That's alright. Alright, and now we are going to make a curve over here, okay, for the body. Alright, and now we are going to draw the legs. Let's make a line over here. Can you do that? Alright, and now we're going to make a little bit like a triangle shape, okay? Watch this. Can you do that?
Okay.
It's like a triangle shape. Well done! And now let's do that to the other side. Alright, and now the triangle part. Two sets. We're going to do 2 more on each side, okay? And each time it will be slightly smaller, okay? Let's do that. Okay, and another one behind it. Okay. Then. Good job. Let's do that to the other side. Yep, one more. It's alright. Alright, our crabs looks perfect, and all that's left to do is just to
Color it.
That's right, let's do that. Wow, our crabs looks good, don't you think so?
Yeah, they look fantastic.
Yeah, I think so too. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can draw again with us together. Alright, keep on smiling, keep on drawing. See you in the